Hi, this is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier at Productronica. I'm here with Ranjan Chatterjee from Cimetrix. A product that's being debuted at Productronica by Cimetrix is Sapience, a smart factory platform. Ranjan, can you talk us through some of the features of this product?
Yeah, so Sapience is a smart factory platform that helps you to connect machines and turn it into smart factories. So we take a digital twin, of a machine, and help you make a digital factory twin, right? So if you want to do a digital twin of an enterprise, you need to start with the machines, and we help do that.
Okay, so there's connectivity, it works in real time. Can you just maybe just go in a little bit more depth of the features?
Yes, absolutely. So our platform will connect to any machine using any protocol, and for ones that don't have a very connectivity, then we have an appliance that we can use to collect the data, and then we turn it into analytics where you can do OEE, like overall equipment effectiveness, or SPC. So we are basically focused on getting you the data from the bottom up, and then we can feed it to MES or MRP systems.
And in real-time mode, so instant information up on my screen that I can action straight away, yeah?
That's correct. And we do it using all modern tools. So we have the way like Google or Facebook and everybody does big data. We are using all big data tools to do this transformation, which is kind of different than a lot of traditional manufacturing software, which is based on old Windows and everything. This is all with the cloud, and this can be hybrid, and you can see the same thing being collected real time across any platform.
So a couple of things there. One, I think the platform is vendor neutral in respect of the equipment I may be using in my factory.
That's correct. It's vendor. That's one of the powers of it, where if you have a software from a particular vendor that provides you the equipment, then it's very hard to integrate a whole line with different pieces of equipment. We are totally vendor neutral. It will connect to any machine and get you all the data that you need, and then you can analyze it and see real time and take actions based on that.
Okay, and I think you mentioned the data can be in the cloud, so that means I or colleagues a distance away can access that and start to analyze the data collectively.
That's correct. And then we also have an ability, because some people may be sensitive to the data that is in the cloud, so we have a way to keep the raw data locally but take the anonymized data in the cloud or calculated results. So you don't need to send everything to the cloud. It is a more cost-effective solution, as well as it's much easier to for security and other privacy reasons.
Okay, so there is a secure solution as well as the cloud solution if I want to protect my IP or whatever data I don't want anybody else to see. Yeah,
that's correct. And we have some companies that are Fortune 5 companies. They care really much, and we are hooking up their factories, and they care about security and IP. So that's how we do it. We anonymize the data, or we provide calculated results.
Okay, Ranjan, thank you very much. Thank you.